Hello everyone, this is Shanti Shirsat, lecturer at Pravin Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology from Information Technology Department. Guys, in practical number 17, we learn the three programs where we execute or implemented three programs regarding binary operator overloading. So now here we perform the operations using function overloading, or we learn new concept, that is function overloading, which is the one type of polymorphism. Means here we implemented the concept of polymorphism using function overloading. Guys, you know that the function overloading means same function used more than one time in one class or in one program, but the function arguments are of different data types, or function arguments are of different number of function argument. Means this function, the function in the class having same name, but the parameter list is different, otherwise parameter data type is different. So let's start with the first practical program, which is regarding function overloading. Okay, what is meant by function overloading? The class having function सेम फंक्शन मोर देन वन टाइम, मतलब एक ही फंक्शन रहेगा जो क्लास में सेम मोर देन वन टाइम प्रेजेंट रहेगा. ओके, तो इन दिस प्रोग्राम आई शो यू द फंक्शन overloading having different data types arguments. Okay, function name is same, but the function having arguments, these arguments or these parameters of different data types. Check here, class overloading, name of the class is overloading, integer ab temp, float pq temp, जो भी data members है, I already declared this data member. Check here, the function void get having two parameters, both are of integer type. Then the value of number 1 parameter stored into the a and number 2 into the b2. And before swapping, I displayed the value of a and b, and after perform the swapping of integer values. Temp 1 is equal to a is equal to b is equal to temp. This is simple logic which is we learn from C programming. Okay, every time we use the same swapping logic. Okay, after that, guys, check here, I overloaded the function. Function overloading is the concept here we learn, that is function overloading. Check here, the same class, that is class overloading having get function two times. In one, the parameter of type, argument of type integer, and here argument of type float. Same function, get function, that is function overloading. Function name is same, but parameter list is different, otherwise number of parameters are different. Then float number 3, float number 4, number 3 p, number 4 stored into the q. Then before swapping and after swapping, I displayed here the value of p and q. Again I overloaded the same function having character types of argument, character s of 10 and character d of 10. Before swapping, I displayed the value of s and d, and after that, using string copy function, I also swapping the string. That is, I stored the s value into the temp3, then string copy, that is the value of d into the s, and then string copy d comma temp3. Okay, then see out, after swapping, I displayed the value of s and d. Now check in main function, both these three functions are of parameterized function. So here we pass the parameter, that is 2 integer parameter for first get function, then 2 float parameter for second get function, and 2 string parameter for third function. Okay, so first check here, I created the object for class overloading O, then 2 integer variable I declared and initialized also. Number 1 is equal to 2 and number 2 is equal to 23. Then O dot get function number 1, number 2. So here compiler call the function which is having integer data type argument. Integer data type argument. Because there is no another option to separate all these three functions, because all the function having same name. So compiler have only one choice to check the arguments. Okay, check the data type of arguments, otherwise check the number of argument passed to that function which is overloaded in the particular class, because name is same. Number 1 and number 2 both are of integer type, so compiler check that the definition of function which is having integer type argument and execute that function. Then next check here, I declared or initialized two float variables number 3 and number 4 and pass to the same function. So here compiler calls the function which is having float argument. After that I take two character argument. ओके, स्ट्रिंग कॉपी, मैंने स्ट्रिंग कॉपी फंक्शन यहाँ पे यूज किया है एंड मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे देखो 2 आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, जो एक स्ट्रिंग है स्वरा वो मैंने एस में कॉपी करके रखी है एंड अनदर वन स्ट्रिंग दैट इज संकल्प स्टोर्ड इन अनदर character variable, that is D. After that I pass this S and D to the get function. So compiler calls here the get function which is overloaded but having string or having character arguments. Okay, having character data type argument. This is function overloading with the help of different data types argument. All the three function which is overloaded, that is get function is overloaded and all the three functions having 2 parameters. So compiler having no choice that call the function with the help of number of arguments. No, because all three functions having same number of parameters. So now compiler check here is the data type of argument and both the and depend on and on the basis of these data types of argument, compiler calls this and execute this particular function. Okay. Okay guys, now check the execution. F7. Okay, integer number, get function, check here integer function, the function called by the compiler having integer arguments. Then assignment operation is performed. Then before swapping, here the cout object display value of A and cout object display the value of B. Then perform the swapping and again displayed after swapping. Here I displayed the value of A and B. Then float, then the function called by the compiler which is having float arguments. Then string copy हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Then o dot get. Okay guys, check here. Yes, then after swapping, get yes, check here. Before swapping A is equal to 12, B is equal to 23. After swapping, obviously A is equal to 23 and B is equal to 12. Before swapping, when we execute the function having float argument p is equal to 23.34 and q is equal to 34.45 something, after swapping p is equal to 23.34. No, swapping is not performed here. What happened? Yes, string before swapping s is equal to Swara and d is equal to sample after. Yes, then what is the problem in function float? What happened here? Yes, guys. Oh, swapping. Yes. Temp is equal to not a. Temp is equal to p. Then p is equal to q and q is equal to temp2. Okay, guys. So now check here. Control F9. Yes, 23.34, p is equal to and q is equal to 34.45. After swapping, p is equal to 34.45 and q is equal to 23.34. This is function overloading having different data types argument. Right? This is very simple program, but even still, if you have any doubt, I will solve your doubt at the time of practical session. Okay. Thank you.